Hi everyone, in this video we are going to discuss the exercise 6.1. We will discuss all the questions one by one, and in the end of video I will be sharing some of the screenshots which enables you how to write the answers in a perfect manner. So moving to question number 1, it says what will be the unit digit of the square of the following numbers. Okay, so we'll take first part, that is 81. We know this 81 is ending with the digit 1. Okay, and if we square this 1 we will get 1, so we can say the square of 81 will be ending with the digit 1 at its unit place. Similarly, we will do for the next, that is 272, and we know 272 is ending with the digit 2. Okay, and if we square this number we will get we will square 2. Okay, so on squaring 2 we will get 4, so we can say this whole number will be ending with the digit 4. Okay, the square of 272 will be ending with digit 4. Similarly, for the third question, that is 799, if we square 799, okay, on squaring this we have to calculate the digit at the unit place of the number. Okay, so in order to find the last digit, we will see the numbers ending with the digit. Okay, and it is ending here, ending with the digit 1, sorry, 9. If it is ending with 9, and we know the square of 9 is equals to 81. Okay, so we will say this square will be ending with the digit 1 at its unit place, although there will be certain numbers along with. So in this way you can calculate the rest of the questions by yourself. Now moving to question number 2, here it the following numbers are obviously not perfect square, give reason. Right, this question is already being discussed, that the is perfect square numbers. Okay, the perfect square number will be ending with the digit 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9 at their unit place. All the numbers which are ending with the digit 2, 3, 7 and 8 will not be the perfect square. Okay, here there is a confusion with the 0. For example, if we say 10, 10 is ending with the 0, but this is not a square. This is not a square of any numbers. So we have here put the 0 in the category of the numbers ending with the perfect squares. All the perfect square will be ending with the 0 at their end. Okay, but here although this digit is ending with the 0, but it is not a perfect. So to tackle with this problem, we will put some constraint on 0. We will say the 0 will be there in a group and it should be a even group. Okay, so numbering of 0 should be even in the end. Okay, if a number is there and it is ending with the even numbers of 0, for example, there are number of zeros, maybe 2, maybe 4, 6 and 8. Okay, if it is ending with the digit with 10, 20, sorry, 30 and 50 or 70, then it will not be a perfect square. Okay, so 10 is not a perfect square, but here you can say 100 is a perfect square. Okay, so there are number of zeros are 1 and 2 respectively. So this is having odd number of zeros, and here two zeros are there, this it is having even numbers of 0, so it will be a square and it will be not. So the perfect for the numbers to be a perfect square, ending digit should be 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9, but 0 should be in a even number of group. Okay, so solving the questions, what we will get, first is 1057. We know this is not belongs to the category of 0, 1, okay, 4, 6 and 9 and 5 is there. So it is not ending with this is not ending with this group, so it will not be a perfect square. Similarly 3 will not be a perfect square because 3 doesn't belongs to here. Okay, similarly you will do for the rest of the question, but for discussing one of these questions, that is, it is having 3 zeros. Okay, we know 64 is a square of 8, but here the number of zeros are 3, and we said the zero should be in a even number. Okay, so there are 3 numbers and three zeros, and 3 is not a even number, so this will not be a square number, right? So you are now able to answer all the questions. Okay, now moving to question number 3. The question number 3 is the square of which of the following would be an odd number. Okay, for example, अगर हम कहते हैं कि 1 is an odd number. Okay, if we square it we will get 1, and again square is a odd number. Okay, similarly if we say 6 is a even number. Okay, and if we square this we will get 36. Okay, and but 36 is a even number. 36 is a even number. So we will say, हम एक कंक्लूजन ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं कि ऑड नंबर के स्क्वायर ऑड होते हैं और इवन नंबर के स्क्वायर इवन होते हैं. ओके, सो ऑड नंबर्स कौन से होते हैं? विच आर एंडिंग विद द डिजिट 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are the numbers which are not divisible by 2. Okay, so we can see here 431, it is ending with 1, and 1 is obviously odd number, so it will the square of this number will be odd number. Similarly this is even, so it will not be an odd numbers. Okay, so this is even number and its square will be an odd number. Okay, again this is not be the even numbers. Okay, now moving to next question, that is question number 4. What does it says? Observe the following patterns and find the missing digits. आपको कुछ पैटर्न दिए हैं, आपको उन्हें ऑब्जर्व करना है, देन यू हैव टू फिल द मिसिंग डिजिट्स. हियर 11 स्क्वायर इज 121, देन 101 स्क्वायर इज देयर, 1001 स्क्वायर इज देयर, एंड सो ऑन एंड सो ऑन. ओके, तो इस पैटर्न्स को अगर आप ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हैं तो आपको हर एक टाइम कुछ ना कुछ इसमें इंक्रीमेंट दिखता है. जैसे यहाँ पे सिंगल ज़ीरो है, यहाँ पे आपको डबल ज़ीरो दिखते हैं, यहाँ पे फिर पैटर्न्स इंक्रीज़ हो रहा है और 4 टाइम्स ज़ीरो होते हैं. देन यहाँ पे 4 टाइम्स ज़ीरो है और यहाँ पे 6 टाइम्स ज़ीरो इंक्रीज़ हो जा रहे हैं. नाउ अगर इनके स्क्वायर्स को देखें 101, तो यहाँ पे जैसे अगर सिंगल टाइम ज़ीरो है तो यहाँ पे 2 टाइम्स ज़ीरो आ जा रहा है. अगर यहाँ पे डबल ज़ीरो है तो इन आंसर्स में भी डबल ज़ीरो 2 टाइम रिपीट होंगे. अगर यहाँ पे 4 टाइम्स ज़ीरो है तो इसके आंसर्स स्क्वायर में भी यहाँ पे भी 4 टाइम्स ज़ीरो होंगे और यहाँ पे भी 4 टाइम्स ज़ीरो होंगे. सो यू विल राइट 4 टाइम्स ज़ीरो 1, 2, 3, 4, and similarly 1, 2, 3, 4. So this will be the 4 times zeros are there. Similarly you will write here 6 times 0 between 1, 2 and 1. Okay, so आपको यहाँ पे सबसे पहले 1 लिखना है, then 6 0 should be there, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. यहाँ पे 6 0 complete होगी, then you will write 2, and then again you will write 6 0 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you will write 1. So this is the required answer for the question number 4. Now again same question is there for question number 5. Observe the following pattern and supply the missing numbers. यहाँ पे आप देखें again 11 square is there, then it is 101. Okay, and then 10201. Okay, its square is 10201. इसे देखें आप तो यहाँ पे नंबर ऑफ वंस आर 2, यहाँ पे 1 2 बार रिपीट हो रहा है. ठीक है, तो हम इसे इंक्रीज़ करते हैं 1 एंड देन 2, राइट. या हम इसे जितने हमारे पास 2 होंगे तो हम उसको 10 टाइम तक इंक्रीज़ करते हैं. जैसे यहाँ पे 2 डिजिट हैं तो 2 टाइम्स 1 है, तो हमारी जो डिजिट इंक्रीज़ होगी यहाँ पे तो वो 20 तक होगी. अगर 3 1 है तो वो 30 तक इंक्रीज़ होगी. अगर 4 टाइम 1 है तो वो 40 तक इंक्रीज़ होगी. ओके, व्हाट आई वांट टू कन्वे इज, यहाँ पे आप देखें कि नंबर ऑफ वन आर 3, यहाँ पे 3 1 है, तो आंसर्स जो हमारा इंक्रीज होगा वो 30 तक ही इंक्रीज होगा। इसका मतलब क्या हो गया कि आंसर होगा 10, 20 एंड 30, राइट, 10, 20 एंड 30। उसके बाद आप आंसर्स को रिवर्स ऑर्डर में इंक्रीज करेंगे, दैट इज 20, ओके, एंड देन यू विल सिंपली पुट 1, राइट। सो जो भी आंसर्स आपके एंड होंगे वो 20 पे ही या 201 पे या 20 पे एंड होंगे, ठीक है, एंड digit should be 1, it is should be clear. Now moving to this part, okay, यहाँ पे आप काउंट कीजिए कि 1 यहाँ पे हमारे पास कितने टाइम्स है, देयर आर 4 टाइम्स 1, तो हमारा 4 टाइम्स अगर वहाँ पे 1 है तो हम कह सकते हैं कि जो हमारा डिजिट इंक्रीज होगा वो 40 तक इंक्रीज होगा। सो इट शुड बी 10, 20, ओके, देन इट्स 30 एंड इट्स 40, 40 के बाद हम रिवर्स में आएंगे, देन 30 एंड देन 20, ओके, यहाँ तक हम पहुँच चुके हैं। देन आई विल राइट जस्ट 1 एंड दिस विल बी द आंसर्स फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन। नाउ we have to find the square, we will say square root of this number, and we will say first we will count the increased number is till 50, so this number must be contain 5 1, ठीक है, यहाँ पे जो नंबर इंक्रीज हुआ है वो 10, 20, 30, 40 to 50 तक इंक्रीज हुआ है, so there it should contain at least 5 times 1, so it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, और इस टाइम यहाँ पे क्या है, अल्टरनेट में हमें ज़ीरो भी पुट करने होते हैं, सो 1, 2, 3 एंड 4, सो दिस विल बी द राइट आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन। Now moving to question number 6, using the given pattern find the missing number, okay, so here you can see it's 1 square, 2 square plus 2 square is equals to 3 square, okay, अगर इसको सॉल्व करें तो 1 स्क्वायर इज़ 1 प्लस 2 स्क्वायर इज़ 4 एंड 4 स्क्वायर इज़ 2 स्क्वायर इज़ 4 and it is equals to 9 which is equals to 3 square, so this is that LHS is equals to RHS, but that is not what we have to do. We have to just find the patterns and we have to fill the digits here and here, okay. तो आप देखिए यहाँ पे कुछ ना एक कुछ रिलेशंस होते हैं जो इन डिजिट्स के बीच में होंगे। फॉर एग्जांपल यहाँ पे 1 है 2 है और इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करें 1 इंटू 2 एंड दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 2, तो यहाँ पे 2 आ जाएगा। सिमिलरली हेयर 2 हेयर 3 और इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करें 2 इंटू 3 then it will be 6 and we have written 6 square over here, okay. Similarly 3 square is there, 4 square is there, and multiplication of 3 and 4 is equals to 12 and 12 square is there, okay. See, then in the same manner we can say if we write 4 square and 5 square and we know 4 into 5 is 20, okay, so we will write here 20 square, okay. So now in the next question we have to find the number over here. We know if it is x, so 5 into x must be equals to 30, okay, and if we divide 5 by both sides we will get 6, so we will say here the number will be 6 square, okay. So again 6 square plus 7 square is 42 square, okay. Now this is the relations between first three digits, okay. We have calculated what is the relations between the first three digits is the third digit can be obtained by multiplying these two digits 1 and 2, okay. Now you see the relations between these two digits, 2 and 2 plus 1 is equals to 3, 7 is equals to 6 plus 1, okay, this 13 is equals to 12 plus 1, okay. Similarly we can say this number will be 20 plus 1, okay. So you in this way you can find the questions, then if it is 42 square, then it will be 42 plus 1, that is 43 square. So in this way you can calculate the question number 6 and fill the required digits in each places. Now the question number 7, what it is saying, without adding find the sum. Okay, here these are the numbers 1 3 5 7 and 9 with additions. Now these all are odd numbers. Okay, and these are the consecutive odd natural numbers, and if we count these numbers, these are 1 2 3 4 5. और हमें पता है कि हम ये जानते हैं कि जो भी ऑड नंबर्स होते हैं, ठीक है, जैसे फर्स्ट n ऑड नंबर्स का जो सम होगा वो n स्क्वायर के बराबर होता है, यानी कि फर्स्ट 2 ऑड नंबर्स का सम 2 स्क्वायर यानी कि 4 के बराबर होगा। ऐसे ही फर्स्ट 3 ऑड नंबर्स का सम 3 स्क्वायर यानी कि 9 के बराबर होगा। So we can say here are first 5 odd natural numbers are there, and its sum will be equals to 5 square, that is equals to 25. Similarly you will count here, these are 4 4 8 and these 2 10. So we are having first 10 odd natural numbers, so its square will be 10 square, and we can say its sum will be 100. Similarly you can do this by yourself. Now next question is, express 49 as a sum of 7 odd natural numbers. We know 49 is the square of 7. 49 is the square of 7. So the sum of first n natural number is equals to n square. So first 7 odd natural numbers adds to 49, we have discussed here in this question number 7. Similarly you can express this 1 to 121 for the as the sum of 11 odd natural numbers. Now question number 9, how many numbers lies between the square of the following numbers? This question is also being discussed. Now we have told you, if you want to find the square of the numbers lies between the square of 12 and 13. We know 12 squares and there are certain numbers will be there, and that in 13 square. We know 12 square is 144 and 13 स्क्वायर इज़ 169. हमें इन 144 और 169 के बीच में जो भी नंबर्स हैं उन्हें हमें काउंट करने हैं। तो इसके लिए हमने सिंपल स्टेप कहा था कि द नंबर्स विल बी 2 इंटू एन. सो नंबर्स बिटवीन स्क्वायर ऑफ 12 and square of 13 will be 2n. So n should be the number lesser one. Okay, so we will say the number lies between squares of 12 and 13 will be 12 2 into 12, that is 24. Similarly 25 और 26 के स्क्वायर के बीच में कितने नंबर लाइज करते हैं, वो स्मॉलर नंबर लेंगे और उसको मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. सो 25 इंटू 2 एंड इज इक्वल्स टू 50. सो देयर आर 50 नंबर्स बिटवीन द स्क्वायर ऑफ 25 एंड 26. स्मॉलर नंबर को लेना है और उसे मल्टीप्लाई कर देना है. सो 99 इंटू 2 एंड दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 198 numbers are there between the squares of 99 and 100. So in this way you can calculate the others one for other questions. So we have completed this exercise, and I will just providing the screenshot, and you have to write all the questions in that manner in your fair notebook.